Good morning. This is Manish Kumar. So today I am going to explain the topic science and technology. Under that, I have taken the subtopic that is called space technology. So first we will see what is the syllabus we have in science and technology. So now coming to the science and technology, basically it is two subtypes. One is general science and second one current events of national and international importance. Then under that, particularly when coming to the picture of general science, broadly we are saying which topics for the purpose of examination we have to prepare. First one that is called a space technology. Then next we have energy. Next biotechnology, nanotechnology, AI and robotics, IT and communications, disease and defense, and finally general science. So in general science, what we have to study? 6th to 8th class NCERT. So particularly I'm going to explain the space technology. So in a space technology, these are the area where we have to focus more, like universe, satellites, what are the launch vehicles, applications, and all the new launches, what is going to be happen by the government or international governments. So now why I have taken a space technology, one of the concept that is the LIGO. So why the LIGO came into the picture? Actually, recently we have detected like gravitational waves. So that is LIGO is one of the agency which detected the like gravitational waves. So now LIGO, what is the full form of LIGO first? Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory. So this project actually it was in the line of 7 years, and recently now Indian government has approved this one. So now LIGO it is built by the Department of Atomic Energy and Department of Science and Technology, and with the US Science Foundation. Not only US, several national or international research institute it is associated with LIGO India project. So now what is the aim of this project? Actually, this project aims to detect gravitational waves from the universe. The Indian LIGO would have two perpendicularly placed 4-kilometer long vacuum chamber that constitute the most sensitive interferometer in the world. It is expected to begin scientific runs from the 2030. Actually, now just now we have got the approval, but by 2030, it will be operational. Then where it is located? It is located in Hingoli district, which is in the Maharashtra. What is the purpose and significance of LIGO? So it will be the fifth node of the plant network and will bring India into the prestigious international scientific experiment. It will be the fifth node of the plant network and will bring India into the prestigious international scientific experiment. It will make India a unique platform that brings together the frontier of the science and technology of the quantum and cosmos. Then now what are the benefits of LIGO? So what are the benefits? So LIGO India project would have several spin-off the benefit to the Indian science, apart from making India an integral part of one of the most prestigious international scientific experiment. The observatory is expected to enable domestic return in astronomy and astrophysics, as well as leapfrog India science and technology in cutting-edge frontier great national relevance. Then now, as we discuss about what is the LIGO, then already we have gravitational force, right, before. Then what is the gravitational waves and why it came into the picture? Actually, gravitational waves, it was the postulated in 1916 by the Albert Einstein. Means it explained about the general theory of the relativity, which explains how gravity works. These waves are produced by the movement of massive celestial body such as black holes or neutron star, and are the ripples in the space-time that propagate onwards. So here I have one of the diagram which I will explain you what is actually LIGO or Gignatic Interferometer and how it works. How it works. So now see, when we are setting up means LIGO, then first we will have the laser. From this laser we will have 4 kilometer long vacuum, which is the replica of each other. So now here one arm and this side one arm. So when we are transmitting light from this laser device to one of the arm, same it is transmitted to that side. And in between we will have one canceller. So suppose if light is going that side and this side, and again when it is returning back, it will cancel to each other. So if it is cancelled to each other, means it won't come to the detector part. But suppose now if there is any two black holes or two massive celestial body collides, then what will happen? Then it will generate the gravitational waves. So these gravitational waves, again, it will disturb the distance between the arms. So when the distance is disturbed, then what will happen? It won't cancel each other. So if it won't cancel each other, then here it will detect. It will detect. And that indicate that there is the gravitational waves. There is the gravitational waves. So this is the way how it works. Then first, now gravitational waves. First detection of the gravitational waves. So now LIGO in the USA first detected the gravitational waves in 2015. And of course, for this novel work, it got the Nobel Prize in Physics in 2017. These gravitational waves were produced by the merger of two black holes. These gravitational waves detected as the merger of what? Two black holes, which were about 29 and 36 times, 29 and 36 times the masses of the sun, which is 1.3 billion years ago. So black holes mergers are the sources of generally gravitational waves. What is the sources of the gravitational waves? If two celestial body or black hole merges, then it will generate the gravitational waves. So based upon this concept, I have one questions. So now please see the questions what we have. Recently scientists observed merger of giant black holes billions of light years away from the earth. What is the significance of this observation? Option A, Higgs boson particles were detected, gravitational waves were detected, possibility of intragalactic space travel through wormhole was confirmed, and D option, it enables the scientists to understand the singularity. So just now, as I told you, what is the correct answer? Gravitational waves were detected. Thank you so much.